Okay students, today we are going to start a new chapter of ICSE Class 10 Biology. The chapter is Cell Division. This is just an introductory part of this chapter. So it is the part 1 and we will see why cell division is important and what are the phases that are involved during cell division. So let's start. So the first is need for cell division. Now, why the cell division is required in our body? The first is growth. As the cell will divide, it will help in the growth of our body. And also we know that every life starts with a single cell, and as the cell divides, it begins to form an organism. All the organs are formed, tissues are formed. From that only the growth occurs. Second is repair. Now, as we know that our body is made up of millions of cells. Whenever there is an injury to any of our body part, in that particular area, the cell gets injured, as a result of which we need to repair that part, and the cell in that area gets replaced by the new cells. So this is due to the cell division. Okay. Now cell division is helping in repairing that part by replacing the old damaged cells with the new cells. Third is replacement. Now what is replacement? In our body there are different kinds of cells, and each type of cell has its own lifespan for how long that cell will remain functioning. For example, red blood cells means millions of red blood cells are destroyed every minute. So for that, more red blood cells needs to be formed, as a result of which this is replacement. So this is occurring due to cell division. Cell division is replacing the old cells with the new cells that are formed. And the last is reproduction. Cell division also plays a very important role in reproduction. How? Cell division results in the formation of gametes, and that gametes plays an important role in fertilization, due to which zygote is formed. Now, kinds of cells and number of chromosomes. So how many chromosomes are present in our body, in each cell? First, body cells. Body cells which are generally present in our body. Each cell of our body consists of 23 pairs of chromosomes in both man and woman, out of which 22 pairs are autosomes, and the other one pair, this is X and Y in case of man and X and X in case of woman. Okay, this is a pair and this is also a pair. So this one pair of chromosome, it is called the sex chromosome, because it is mainly responsible for whether the child will be boy or girl. Okay. So there are total 46 chromosomes. We represent in the form of pairs, 2n. In case of women also there are 46 chromosomes in the body cells. Now, in case of sex cells are the gametes which are produced, and these gametes are formed by the cell division in case of germ cells. These germ cells are present in our reproductive organ in male and female. Okay, so that germ cells undergo cell division to produce gametes. That gametes consist of only 23 chromosomes. Okay, each gamete consists of only 23 chromosomes, not pair, only 23 in case of both man and woman. Why? Because during fertilization, the sperm will fuse with the ovum to produce the zygote, and as a result of which 23 chromosomes from here and 23 chromosomes from here, they are both getting involved to form 46 chromosomes, which is the 2n, and this is our fertilized egg. Okay, so this is the number of chromosomes in each cells of our body. Next, types of cell divisions. Now, there are generally two types of cell division that occurs in our body. The first is mitosis. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells. Somatic cells means body cells, and this type of division is responsible for the growth, repair, replacement. Okay, this does not take part in reproduction. It only occurs in the somatic cells. Second is meiosis. Meiosis occurs in germ cells for production of gametes. This type of cell division occurs in germ cells. So meiosis occurs in germ cells which are found in our reproductive organ for the production of gametes. Now, mitosis. So first we will read about mitosis. The first process, that is karyokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus. So karyo means nucleus and kinesis means division. That's why it is known as karyokinesis. So the first process that takes place during the mitosis is the karyokinesis. Karyokinesis consists of four phases. The first is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. In the next part we will study all these phases in detail. So just to remember this: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. These are the phases which are involved during the process of karyokinesis. After this completion of karyokinesis, the next process that is involved is cytokinesis. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Means after the nucleus is divided, then cytokinesis will take place. So this was the introduction of our cell division. In the next part, we will read about karyokinesis and cytokinesis and the other processes that are involved during mitosis. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next